Hey, hi guys. Do you mind asking me a quick question for you? It's for TikTok, Instagram, right? Oh, that's nice. You guys can come in here. Wow.
And the money.
Okay. Do you guys know the name of the month where Muslims do fasting?
Fasting.
April.
In April.
Let's
March.
Oh, the Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Yeah, Ramadan. Wow. Once let's go. Let's more.
$50.
Yeah. let's go.
Okay.
Okay. So do you guys have any Muslim friends? No. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the question is that what do you guys like as a teenager, as a young, what do you guys have in mind about Islam or Muslim when you hear the word Islam, Muslim? Any thoughts?
Peace and love.
That it's like.
Can you repeat again?
Peace and love.
I like my Muslim friends
know.
and I respect everybody. It's like
respect
freedom to everyone.
Respect for women.
Can you say that
Respect for women.
again? Yeah.
Respect every religion.
So, can you repeat again?
I respect every religion.
Okay. Like what's the reason you said that respect women?
Because like they take care of the women and they like make them like dress a certain way to protect them from like
They usually cover themselves up?
Yeah.
Like the women are usually cover themselves up?
I support everyone, no matters like what religion are there.
Oh, okay, guys. Thank you so much. Do you guys mind saying Happy Ramzan? It's a month coming up, so we can Happy Ramzan. I'll just repeat, and you guys can say. Let's go 1, 2, 3.
Happy Ramadan.
Let's go 1, 2, 3. Just make it like. Can you come close, Asim? Okay. Okay. I'll just say first, and then you guys repeat.
Okay.
Happy Ramzan to all Muslims.
Happy Ramadan para todos los musulmanes.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, guys.
TikTok.